Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh.
It's your girl Peculiar Beauty, guys. Happy Sunday. Thank you everyone for joining. I really do appreciate, guys. In this video, basically house chores and doing some house chores with you, and I'll be going to church and all that. So guys, let's dive into this video. For those people that is watching me, for my old and returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really do appreciate, Peculiar appreciate you so much. Thank you. Without you, I am nothing. Thank you so much. I really do really appreciate. Okay, so guys, first of all, I want to wash this plate that is here. I want to wash this pot, and I have beans. I've already put the beans inside water. I was watching Odessiva, yeah, so she was just eating a akara and pap. I said, oh my god, this is what I'm making this right now, like I'm doing this right now. So that's how I pick up my camera. I'm already vlogging already, so I decided to make this for breakfast before I go to church. So I'll be grinding this thing now, doing my pap. So when I come back from church, we are going to cook. I think we'll cook jollof rice. So jollof rice, they hungry me too. So this is the beans. I've already soaked it since like maybe 20 minutes now and all that. So amen, 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 amen.
As your two hands are lifted, allow me to make this judgment prayers and this strong man. In your kindred,
amen, 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 amen. Fire. Amen, 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 amen. Fire. Let it be reversed. Amen, 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 amen. Today, I declare now, from now, on the next 14 days, Jesus, hey, Mazaragadagaribo Shataraba, amen, amen. Restore, restore, restore. Amen. 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 Amen.
I came this morning with a holy anger. Lift up your two hands. Ask your enemy to any family represented here. That things happen. They happen later. They happen later. If you're in a Cambodia, I command, let every broken.
Amen.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the
So,
more I'm
this is,
sinking.
I've already planned
Take me to a world of
the beans
silver.
for the final pizza. But first of all, I want to quickly go and wash the basin, and I will be talking on Friday.
Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out.
So guys, I wash my balcony. So this is my clothes. So this is how my balcony looks like right now. I just finished washing it with my broom and all that.
Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out.
So guys, this is how I cook my fried rice. Like, I literally cook it like this because I want the ingredient to enter the rice very, very well before I pour my water and all that. So this is me just trying to pour the water inside, and that this water is the meat, the water I use in cooking the chicken and all that. So this is it. That's how I normally cook mine. Okay, so guys, let me know how you cook yours in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate, and I'll be right back.
Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.